Hello artists, welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I will be making an anthropomorphic, or human-like animal collage. I have gathered all of the supplies I'll need to make my favorite animal into a work of art. I have paper, pencil, how to draw sheets, and a magazine to help me get started. My challenge is to find an animal photograph in a magazine and use it in a creative collage in which that animal appears to be behaving or acting like a human. My inspiration for this art challenge comes from anthropomorphic cartoons and video game characters, William Wegman's photography, and my own style of pet portraits. After finding my picture in a magazine, I've decided that I want my dog to be behaving a lot like me. So I'm going to be making this dog into an artist using the rest of the drawing supplies at my table. Enjoy while I lightly sketch out my drawing for a dog artist. A goal I have set in my art room is to become friends with the eraser. This is just a kind way to remember that artists don't always get things right the first time they try it. Just like an athlete needs to practice to become good at something, an artist does too. Artists also have to remember to become problem solvers and erase from time to time. I kept a tally of how many times I had to erase during my first sketch, and I found that I had to erase 10 times just to get this drawing right. Remember to become friends with your eraser and draw lightly when you sketch. That'll make you a lot happier in the end. Once you've got your sketch complete, you may consider using drawing supplies like markers, crayons, and colored pencils to add additional detail to your work. I find that a nice, bold marker outline over my drawing really catches people's attention and creates emphasis on the important parts of my art. Having my outline finished, I am able to glue on my animal portrait and begin to decorate further using additional drawing supplies. I like to use a variety of drawing supplies so that I am able to create a more dynamic and enjoyable drawing. People will recognize your hard work, so put the effort in. My favorite thing about anthropomorphic animal drawings is that they can make people laugh, smile, or just generally feel good when they see them. That's why in cartoons you see so many anthropomorphic or human-like animal characters. I wish you good luck on your art challenge, and remember that your art can really make somebody's day great. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.